back with another video. Today I am going to explain the three best capsule coffee machines. I do too much experiment and then take top three best products among them. So number one from list is Craft Simply Brew, a stainless steel drip coffee maker. It has too many characteristics and features also that make them very amazing and nice. They have a compact size. They also have a stainless steel design and a drip-free spout also. These features make them very effective and amazing them and very easy to use. Their size makes them very amazing and very easy to use. A drip-free spout and a stainless steel design which is very nice for every cup. They also have some other characteristics also that make them very efficient and amazing. These are very easy to clean. They have a user-friendly operation. 5 cup capacity, too much higher capacity than the that you will ever see. They also have some cons like and limitations, like they have limited brewing capacity, a lack of programmable features, a limited brewing options also. These are the limitations or cons which are present, but you cannot ignore their advantages from the disadvantages because every product has both pros and cons. They have a basic design, a lack of thermal carrier, and no auto shutoff features. But these are present in other coffee maker machines, not in this kind. So number two from my list is Amazon Basic, a dual brew single serve capsule coffee maker. These are the capsule coffee makers. They also have different characteristics and features also. Like they have a dual brew functionality, single serve convenience, and a compact size also. I always explain advantages and disadvantages of every product so you can choose and can select every product which is suitable to you. So they have a dual brew functionality which is very amazing and a nice function. You will not see in every other product. A single serve convenience and a compact size. Their size makes them very efficient and amazing copies. You can use them very easily and effectively without any hesitations also and can select a nice product. These are very easy to use. They have a fast brewing time and very easy to use. So you can use them and can clean them very easily and effectively. These are the great features you will not see in other products also. Totally preferable with such a great characteristics also. They also have some cons or limitations which are present, like they have limited brewing capacity or compatibility with a specific coffee pod. There is a lack of customization options also present in these kind of coffee makers. Otherwise, these are nice and easy to use and amazing coffee makers. They have some durability concerns and lack of advanced features. There is some dependency on capsules also. So you should keep in mind both advantages and disadvantages of every product while buying. So in the last number three from my list, a light gourmet EHC automatic brew and drip coffee maker. It's an automatic coffee maker. It has too many characteristics and features also, like they provide automatic brewing. They have a pause and serve function also. They have a reusable filter also. So you can even reuse the filter very effectively and can work with automatic brewing. These are totally amazing and nice with perfect function present in this kind of coffee maker. Totally nice and amazing. They also provide some other characteristics also, like there is on and off switch, a water level indicator, and a stainless steel construction also present in these kind of coffee makers. These are totally nice and amazing with such great characteristics also and amazing. I would suggest everyone to buy this one because of their great features and easy. They also have some limitations or cons, like they have limited brewing capacity or lack of programmable features also. They have a manual water powering. These things limited their features, but you cannot ignore their advantages because every product has pros and cons. So you should keep in mind everything while choosing a product in this kind of. You should keep in mind both advantages and disadvantages of every product while choosing. These are very nice advice to use and to read. They have no thermal carrier, a lack of adjustable brew temperatures, and limited brewing options. These are the limitations or cons which are present in them, but you can select by your own opinion. So these were the top three best capsule coffee maker machine. If you want to buy from Amazon, just click on the links present in the description. You can easily get it on sales and also on deal prices and affordable. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and comment in the comment section. If you find any difficulty, I will show you reply. Have a nice day. Thank you.